I have done SoulScale 3 years ago. I lost, it was 40 pounds in a matter of 6 months. I got off the program and maintained it for a good portion of the time. It's been 3 years, but old habits kind of don't die unless you really keep at it. And I end up eventually gaining some weight back, but now I'm back in the program and enjoying every minute of it. Been on the program for 2 weeks now. I've lost almost 3 pounds and a couple inches off my body. And this time around, I realize how important it is to maintain once you get to your goal weight. The maintenance at the end of the program is so important, and that's what I'm really sticking forward to, to just see that through this time. So I lost 40 pounds the first time I did the program, and I felt amazing. I was able to keep up with my son. He was 3 years at the time, and I felt so good. I was healthier. I was fitting into smaller size clothes. It was just amazing. I loved it. So that's why I'm so eager to get back to where I was. The support that you get in this program is amazing. Everybody, is behind you. Even when you have your when you fall off track and you want to get back in the program, we have your back 100%. So